Hey guys, what's up? It's T-Star back in the game. Today we're going to be doing some more Roblox scripting. Okay, so let's get started by duplicating the show click script and making it go down a bit. Actually, wait, no. Get the button, control on the clicks, and move it down a bit. Go to text and rename to rebirth. Okay, now this script will be a little different from the other one, so get ready. Okay, so it turns out, so the abbreviations are going to be quite the same, so I'm just going to quickly write out the abbreviations, or can copy and paste it from something. So then this is the abbreviations if you want to stop. Okay, I'll zoom out so then you guys can see. Those are all the abbreviations. Pause the video if you want to see them. Okay, so now what we're going to write is we're going to skip line 1. I meant line 2, and we're going to go to line 3, a local function, and add a local function. And then we're going to add a format. And the format is going to have a value in it, and it's going to also have an IDP. And then over there. Okay, now we're going to write local ex equals math dot floor. And then we're going to do this. Oh my god. Okay, then we're going to do that. And we're going to, in this, we're going to write math dot log, and then we're going to do this. We're going to do the same thing, but math dot max. Okay, then we're going to do max, and then we're going to do 1, comma, and then after that comma we're going to do maths dot abs, so it's standing for abbreviation, and then we're going to do a value. Okay, what's wrong with you? Value. And then we're going to do comma 1,000. And then we're going to go back. We're going to do those. Oh. If it says something's wrong, nothing's really wrong. It's just saying that. But once we write the whole script, then it should work. Abbreviations. And then we're going to do this. We're going to do this. 1 plus ex. Or, could always be or, so then we have to do e plus. And then dot ex. And then we're going to write our final line, which is local normal equals math. Wait. Yeah, it's a lot different than the first line that we wrote, so got to do something like, we've got to rewrite it. Floor, value, and then space 8. That weird thing, and then we're gonna do space 2 of those, and then we're gonna write 10 in there. Then we're gonna do that, and then we're gonna ID, and then we're gonna dash it. 1 of those, 1,000. And then EX, I'm gonna go 3 of these, so 2 of those. To brackets. Then another bracket facing to the right, which will create 2 brackets, and then the thing above the 6, and then IPD. That's done with all the local functions. Now we've got to do the return function, and then, so 2 spaces, and then local percentage. Percentage is representing like the values and stuff. Dot dot IPD dot dot, and then we've got to do another one. F S, and then that should be good. And then wait, no, go out of that and write format, and then normal, comma, AB, abbreviates. Go down to, make the end on line 10, and past the end at line 12, we're going to do while, wait, and then we're going to type do, and then we're going to write local player equals game dot players dot local player, and then we're going to write script dot parent dot text equals rebirth. Okay, forgot to put the actual text box in. So basically do your day or that and that. Then that becomes an actual variable, that comes the name of it, and spaces, and then dot dot format equals to player dot leaderboard, reader stats dot rebirth dot value, comma 2. Now this is done, and now when we go into the game, we should have it should show our rebirth. Also, make sure this value isn't a capital, because I just tried to do a test and it went wrong. So make sure this value is not capital or it will break. Okay, so now let's test it, and this should work. Yep, rebirth is working. Obviously I can't show you that it's working, but you just got to trust me on this, it's working. Okay, so now we've got to actually make a GUI so we can rebirth. That's going to be pretty easy, but first we've got to go into our clicker, rename this to show rebirth. Sorry if I say rebirth wrong, I can't say it well. Okay, text, and then local button. So then, actually, in the past, I actually said we'll do the rebirths in the next episode. So I guess we've got to do the rebirths. Okay, so now what we've got to do is we've got to type. Okay, so basically what we've got to write now in this clicks thing is down if rebirths dot value is greater than, I think that is. I'm not very good with those symbols, so you're gonna have to trust me. Just write whatever that is, because I don't know my symbols that well. I got them mixed up. So and then value equals plus equals rebirth dot value, and then this is your script. So let's say, let's go get ourselves a rebirth. So let's go into leader stats, rebirth.value equals 1. So now we'll earn 2 clicks instead of 1. So 2 clicks. Yep, that worked. Okay, so now set that back to 0 and we earn 1 click. Yep, 1 click. So now we've got to actually make the GUI for that. So then we can actually get rebirth. I don't know. Okay, then we're going to add a screen GUI. We're going to name it to rebirth. And then we're going to add a frame into there. Let's put the frame in the middle. Okay, so basically now what we need to do is to design our frame in a way that so just design your frame, add like a title, like let's say we want to tell people that this is the rebirth bar. Text, okay, rebirth, text color, white, font, not source sans, that's terrible. Okay, Gotham black, background, okay, print, and then text again. Done. Now it clearly says rebirth. So customize yours for as long as you want. And yeah, I'll be back once we're getting ready to start scripting our first thing. Okay, so I think I've finished my GUI. So basically visible, it still looks pretty bad. So basically in this we're going to add a scrolling frame. No, inside that we're going to add a scrolling frame. And in that scrolling frame we are going to add, so I'm first going to customize my scrolling frame. Background, transparency 1, obviously. Okay, in this we're going to add buttons. Scale the buttons to there. If they can't leave that wall, so then if you duplicate, forgot, you got to add a pity, I think it's called. Pity. Okay, what do I have to add to this to make it work? UI list layout, done. Okay, so now if you duplicate the button, it'll go down. Now we want to make the padding like 1. So then if we duplicate it, wait, what? If we duplicate it, go. Duplicate, where is it? Oh, it's right there. So padding, make sure it's like 0. So make sure it's like 0 here, and then 1 maybe? Yup, that worked. 0.3. 0.9. Perfect. 0.9. And okay, so I'm gonna grab something that will make it round and it'll just make it look decent. Actually, I just realized, guys, so we're gonna have to, in this scrolling frame, we're gonna have to add 2 text labels. So we're gonna have to add a text label. No. You go under there. You go under there. So basically the text label, okay, the text label is going to go on top if I can figure out how to do that. Oh god, I'm mucking it up. Give me a minute. Okay, I figured it out and it's working fine. So basically we've got to make it like this, otherwise it won't work. And if that doesn't work, then that's not good. So now we have button 1. So I'm just going to do 3 buttons for now. So 2 buttons, duplicate, 3 buttons, and then, okay, if I can click on this, button 3, and then make the text on the button. So the text color has to be like black. Wait, no. Always, I'm gonna make it white, but I'm gonna make the image color, background color. The image is gonna be like a darker blue, maybe. What looks good? Perfect. Nope, that does not look good. That does not look good. Okay, so then I'm gonna make it a darker. I reckon that works. No. That works pretty well. Yep, that looks good. Okay, so then in that we're gonna add, so in the text, I'm gonna add text. I don't know why it already. It's sorry, it says that. So one rebirth for one rebirth for one rebirth, and then I'm gonna do this wall. 1,000 clicks. One rebirth, 1,000 clicks. Text color, that color, put it in there. Oh god, it's simply not good. So basically, why is it that thick? I don't know, but so put on, so text on this, we're gonna duplicate this. We're gonna go to text on this, and we're gonna add that, text color, white, font, wait, no, text scaled, yes, font, let's make it a Gotham black. That looks pretty, that looks amazing actually. And then scrolling frame, it's annoying me, but I hate the border sizes. So now that looks clean. Pretty damn clean actually. Button 1. Scale. Why are you so long? A long boy. Perfect. Now the buttons should, okay, scale that in a bit. Button, scale that in a bit. But scale that. I'm just trying to make them look even. Okay, so now button 2, we're gonna add text. So text, duplicated text. Okay, and then we're gonna make this white. I'm gonna auto scale it. Font, not source scenes. We're gonna do Gotham black, and then I'm gonna figure out what color this is. Actually, color, image color. So then duplicate. I'm gonna duplicate this because I honestly like that color, and then I'm gonna put it there, and then I'm gonna go to color. Boom. And image 3. Color, boom. Control V, and that should work. Button, text. So then we've got to do okay. No. Control C. Sorry that's annoying me, but text. Sorry if that annoys you guys. Text, no, rich text off. Okay, 100k clicks maybe, and then auto scaled font. Gotham black. Perfect. That looks very good actually. Okay, so now you may be thinking, oh, how are we going to close this? It's impossible to close. Okay, so that's where this script comes in. So we're going to get rid of the frame and we're going to make it invisible because it's annoying me. And then we're going to add a text button. Just put this button wherever you want. I'm going to put it under the rebirth button. So then it's going to be small and... Okay, I'm gonna make the font always has to be Gotham black. Text. Okay, I'm gonna find a cool rebirth symbol, so I'll be right back. Sad. This is honestly sad as hell, but this is the best thing I could find. That is sad. And it looks terrible, but it'll do. So basically find something to put on there. Background color, let's make it back frame. Let's see what this is. Control C and get rid of that. And background color, background color, background color. Nope, actually that looks terrible honestly, so I'm just gonna put it there. Perfect. Now we've got that. Now in that text button we're gonna insert a local script. And we're gonna write local frame equals script dot parent. Okay, so basically put that under there actually. So parent, so it gets rid of that one. Parent dot parent, and then dot frame. Just frame. I just want frame. And then go down to 3 script dot parent dot mouse button 1 click equals connect function function frame dot visible equals not frame dot visible. So basically you can click the same button to open and close it, so that should work fine. Where is the button? I'm just gonna put it there. So the button's there, and click it. Perfect, it opens and closes. We've got that right. Now this is going to be hard to script because it just will be. So basically what we're going to do now is make it so the buttons work. This will be a decently short script. So yeah, we'll get right into it. Okay, so first up I want to make a reward for this. So I'm just going to copy this. We're going to go into our leader stats file. Go down twice and local name, let's name them gems. So then you get a gem like once you rebirth maybe. I don't know. So basically done. So basically what that will do is now when we go into the game, it will show gems up there as well. Yep, gems. Okay. So I'll do the show gems next video, but yeah, so right now let's work on this. So first up we're gonna add, okay, so basically now what we're doing is we're gonna go into button 1. We're gonna go into here. We're gonna insert a local script that says, this is gonna be a big one, so it may take 5 minutes. So I'm just gonna write all the locals out so you guys can see them. Okay, that's all the locals down. The locals are the easiest part, so write all this. Now I'll put the script at the end. I'll put this script at the end, so if you guys don't want to write it, just link in the description and you'll find it. It's in the description in general and you'll find it. So I'm just gonna write the rest of the script, so because you guys can write it down below. Okay, that should be it. I do have it on a file, like I'm looking at the file now because I've done this. And so basically now when you get a rebirth, it's gonna put rebirthed and then it's gonna be price clicks, and then so click on this. Oh, we don't have 1,000 clicks yet. Okay, so wait, clicks.value. If clicks equals price, then it's price. Okay, the price is 2, so then weird. Okay, so give me a minute. Okay, I've figured out why it's not working. It's because, so in here, we've got to make these, put these into our rebirth, and put them under the button 1. So basically, amount. How much is it going to be for you to purchase it? Let's make that 2. Clicks 0. Okay, then we're gonna do gems to give 100, and then price 2. So amount is how many rebirths you get, and we're gonna make that 1. Okay, so now if we click play, it should say, okay, so we need to get 2 rebirth. Yep. Now we earn 2 times clicks. Purchase it again. And so on and so on. I think if we amount to gem. Okay, so if you want to make it times, I'll tell you guys how to make it a times in next video. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.